Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to add website in Google Search Console. First, you'll have to go to Google Search Console and make sure that you are logged in on the browser using your email. Then once you go on it, you can click on Start Now right here, and here you should put the link of your own website just right here. Okay, so I'm gonna paste this link. This is my own website. Then I'm gonna click on Continue. It will take a couple of minutes in order to check the verification, and if this website is yours, it will tell you that the verification is done. But here in my case, this is my website, but I didn't get the verification. It will ask you about the verification methods that you can actually do in order to verify that this is your own website. You can simply do any one of these. You can simply download the file, this file that they give you, then upload it to your website, and after that click on verify. Or you can simply use another thing like the HTML tag, and this is also another method. And here you have the Google Analytics. So you can simply go on each one of these verification methods and see how we can actually do one of them. And after read them all, you can simply choose any one of them, but the most recommended one is this one, and this is the easiest one. And once you finish, you should click on done. Then it will show you a message that the verification has been successfully done. It will show a message like this. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching, and see you in a new video.